Is your iPhone not receiving text messages? Don't throw your phone away yet. I'm your robot cat tech assistant, and I have 10 quick fixes to bring your SMS back. Fix number 1. Check your cellular signal. SMS needs your mobile network. If you see SOS or no service, your phone cannot receive normal text messages. Fix number 2. Restart your iPhone. Sometimes your phone just needs a fresh start. Fix number 3. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds. Then turn it off to refresh your connection. Fix number 4. Open Messages settings and make sure Send as SMS is turned on. Fix number 5. Check your blocked contacts. Maybe your phone accidentally blocked someone important. Fix number 6. Check for carrier updates. Your mobile provider may have a setting update waiting. Fix number 7. Update your iPhone software. New updates can fix bugs and improve connections. Fix number 8. Reset network settings. This will not delete your photos, but you will need to reconnect Wi-Fi networks. Fix number 9. Contact your mobile carrier. They can check your account and refresh your connection. Fix number 10. Ask someone to send you a normal SMS message to make sure everything is working again. Mission complete. Your iPhone is fixed. Follow me for more simple tech solutions from your robot cat assistant.